welcome back to Cooking with Candace. There is nothing quite like the deep, spicy comfort of authentic Punjabi Chole. Today we are making this classic, flavor-packed Indian favorite that also happens to be an incredible source of plant-based protein. If you want that signature rich, dark gravy and perfectly tender chickpeas without spending all day in the kitchen, you're in the right place. Grab your ingredients and let's get cooking. All right, so first we're gonna start with pressure cooking our chickpeas. So for that, you'll need 2 cups of chickpeas soaked overnight or canned. We are using canned. 1 inch of ginger. You can either slice it or mince it. 2 to 3 bay leaves. 1 cinnamon stick. 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 to 3 tablespoons of ghee, and then if you're using soaked overnight chickpeas, you'll need 3 to 4 cups of water. We are using the can, so we just left the liquid in. I just wanted to mention, if you are gonna soak your chickpeas overnight, 2 cups of chickpeas is gonna create 5 cups in the morning because they expand. All right, so we're gonna pressure cook our chickpeas now. So we're gonna put this in the pressure cooker. And just wanted to mention, because we use canned, we're not adding salt. If you soak them overnight, add salt. And our teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 bay leaves, our ginger, our cinnamon stick, and then our ghee. And then we're gonna pressure cook this for 6 minutes. And you want the water level to be like at the level of the chickpeas. You don't want too much water over the chickpeas if you're using the soaked overnight ones. All right, so we're over at the stovetop now, and we're gonna make our sauce for our chole. So I'm gonna turn the pan on to high, and I'm gonna add 3 tablespoons of ghee, and I'm gonna let this melt down. All right, now that the ghee is melted, we're gonna turn it down to medium, and we're gonna add our 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds. Just gonna let it crackle a bit. All right, now I'm gonna add my 1 tablespoon each of ginger garlic paste and my ginger paste. And I'm gonna cook this until it's fragrant. All right, now I'm going to add my 3 medium red onions that have been shredded. And we're gonna cook these down until they're a bit brown. All right, now that my onions have browned a bit, we are going to add 3 green chilies, finely chopped. And then we have 2 tablespoons of finely chopped cilantro stems. And we're just gonna cook this for like 30 seconds. And now we are going to add 2 tablespoons of Chana masala, 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. Gonna mix this. And now we're going to add 2 cups of beaten curd. And we're gonna cook this until the oil separates from the curd. All right, now you can see our oil has separated from the curd, and so our sauce is completed. All right, so now that our pressure cooker is completed, we're going to open her. And we're gonna take out all the whole spices. So the bay leaf, the cinnamon stick. Now we're gonna add the sauce to this and cook it for another 15 minutes. Okay, so now I'm going to add my sauce and then we're gonna crush about 20% of the chickpeas. So I have my little masher. All right, now I'm going to cover it, cook it for 15 more minutes. All right, now that it's been 15 minutes, she is ready to enjoy. And there you have it, the ultimate Punjabi Chole. The depth of flavor and those warm spices make this an absolute staple. All right, now I'm going to try it. And you always enjoy this with rice. If you enjoyed this recipe, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and let me know down in the comments how yours turned out. Have a great week, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.